Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. Today I have taken a International Math Olympiad question. It was asked in 1962. Based on trigonometry, solve the equation cos square x plus cos square 2x plus cos square 3x equals to 1. So you may be having many solutions in the net, but I'll give you very short method or quick method. So what I'll do, I'm rewriting the equation cos square x is cos square 2x plus cos square 3 times of x is 1 given. I'll multiply 2 on both the sides. So I'm getting 2 cos square x. 2y is cos square 2x plus 2y is cos square 3x equals to 2. Then next I'll apply the formula 1 plus cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x. So instead of 2 cos square x, I'll write 1 plus cos 2x. Similarly, here I'll write 1 plus cos 4x and 1 plus cos 6x. So 1 plus cos twice x plus 1 plus cos 4 times of x plus 1 plus cos 6 times of x equals to 2. So in left side I'm getting total number is 3 and right side is 2. So if I simplify, I'll get 1 plus cos 2x plus cos 4x cos 6x equals to 0. Next, I am writing 1 plus cos 4x as a pair and cos 2x plus cos 6x is another pair. So next, 1 plus cos 4x equals to 2 cos square 2x again, and this is cos a plus cos b is equals to 2 cos a plus b by 2. So it will be 4x, a minus b by 2, it will be cos 2x. So I can divide 2 throughout so that I am getting cos square 2x plus cos square cos 4x is equal to 0. So I am taking cos 2x common. So it will be cos 2x plus cos 4x equals to 0. So again I'll put the formula for cos 2x plus cos 4x is cos a plus cos b. So it will be 2 cos a plus b by 2 equals to cos 3x, and cos a minus b by 2 equals to cos x equals to 0. So here we have 3 factors. 2 will be divided. So now either cos x equal to 0, cos 2x equals to 0, and cos 3x equals to 0. If cos x equals to 0, then x equals to 2 and pi plus minus pi by 2 when n is an integer. If cos twice x equals to 0, twice x equals to 2 and pi plus minus pi by 2, or x equals to n pi plus minus pi by 4, where n is an integer. In the same way, if cos 3x equals to 0, then 3 times of x equals to 2n pi plus minus pi by 2, or x equals to 2n pi over 3 plus minus pi by 6, when n is an integer. So, solution of this: cos square x plus cos square 2x plus cos square 3x are 2n pi plus minus pi by 2, 2n pi plus minus pi by 4, and n pi by 3 plus minus pi by 6, when n is an integer. Thank you for watching.